Score kami sa video na lumabas na dapat naman talaga makita ng Senate Impeachment Court. Score kami sa ibang mga statements pa na lumabas galing sa Vice Presidente na sumusuporta sa articles of impeachment. Hanggang doon na lang ang statements o ang sagot ni Attorney Ligutan. Hayaan na muna nating mahusga ang Senate Impeachment Court kung anong gagawin nila doon. Pero we are very satisfied with the outcome of today's trial, and we hope to continue that, and we will sustain that throughout the 90 days total of the impeachment trial days. We are ready to sustain this kind of trial. Yes, malaking puntos itong araw na ito. Ang aming testigo ay nakapaglabas ng ebidensya sa mahusay na pamamaraan ng ating private prosecutor. And it's also a victory for all camps because the court was very fair in allowing the evidence to be presented. Naging patas at naging pantay ang Senate Impeachment Court at ang presiding officer. At matagal na nating gusto ito para hindi pagsabihan ng mga Pilipino na hindi impartial ang Senate Impeachment Court. So they acted with impartiality, they acted with fairness, and they acted with integrity today.